record, right?
Yep. Okay, go ahead. The speed limit's 55.
Yeah.
Let's go, babe. People are gonna come fast. There you go. Just follow the route.
Michigan. I go straight, right?
Yep. Follow the route. Go, babe. You wanna get to 55. People come on you fast.
Woohoo! Michigan. Yeah.
No, you're good.
Very nice area, but
Yeah.
good. I see good here.
Yeah, but you go faster than 55. You're over 65. You must watch. You go too fast.
I know.
Okay, start to slow down across this bridge, babe. Let off the gas. Use the brake a little bit. Babe, you're gonna get pulled over. Police.
Yeah, I try to go down, but
Okay. Just stay on this route.
okay.
Just stay in one.
Okay, now 50, yeah?
35 is the speed.
35?
Yeah.
Now 40, it's okay?
It's okay, just keep going. Stay in your lane.
Yeah. Okay, 35.
Yeah.
Woohoo! See the snows, guys! Outside the road, all snow. Yes, very nice
Yeah.
here, right?
Going too fast. It's only 30. You're at 40.
Yeah.
Change again. Yeah, it's just a small town, so they don't want you to go too fast.
Yeah, because many people out, you know.
You want to get in this lane over here, babe.
The left one?
Yep. Get over. Just follow it. All the way.
Okay, boss. Boss Benjamin. 35, yeah?
Yeah. Let's see you go back down to 30, so don't go too fast, babe.
Okay. I make it low.
Yeah. No, you use the brake going down the hill, you'll go faster. This town sometimes has police and they like to watch and get people.
Big silver.
Now hope you're ready for the show.
This is 35, yeah, my love.
30.
30?
Yeah.
I don't put the...
It's Featured Artist
Yes.
Friday from
I just
Flat
let them
Country
go.
1015.
himself.
No, you must use the brake to go down to the
I
speed
know.
they ask you to.
Left, right?
Just follow the route to the left, yes. Good job, that's cool. This part here is only 25.
Okay.
So see, even the people up there keep using their brake because their car wants to go faster.
Yeah.
I know, it's crazy.
It's 21.
You're doing good, my love. You always do good. Baby, you gotta keep at 25.
It's 25.
Well, you're doing 30.
25.
You're doing 30.
Okay, like this, yeah? Nice houses. I go straight.
You just keep following the route, babe. But you stay at 25, you're doing 31. You get your light license, you can do what you want. We don't want no trouble right now, yeah?
Yeah. I must put some
Yeah. It's alright.
gas for going up.
Yeah.
You know,
I trust you, babe. I love you.
one goes straight or down.
Oh, you just keep following.
I mean, when goes straight or down, then I.
That way is to Bryce's.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, now we go up a little bit, so
So
you can use your gas,
at
yes.
least a bit.
Yes. These small towns, the police like to wait for people that don't live here to go drive by real fast, and they give you a ticket, and you pay them money.
$2.25. Why do you think your wife drive good though?
Yes, of course.
So people in these nice houses, man. I think I remember where to go back.
Yeah.
Oh, 30.
Yeah.
I can do a little bit more.
Cross Country 1015, going back 9 years. Another big number 2 record for Jason Aldean. Tattoos on this town.
Very good.
He is the subject of our
think here
featured
more
Artist
easy, babe.
Friday today.
You know what?
3:28 Central
Everything
Time.
Road's
you can
bigger.
road trigger,
And here we go
everything
with
you
our
can
rundown
set,
of
you know.
birthdays and
How about your first time ever driving
anniversaries for your
this
Friday,
truck,
the
big truck?
28th day
Oh,
of
I'm so
February.
happy, Swami.
Brought to you by
It's seem more safe. You're up
Yes.
higher, right?
More safe.
Seem like you're going a little faster, just different.
Yes.
And Papa Murphy's in the old
like the
Kmart
truck.
Plaza.
See, you want little car, but
As you know,
truck do
giving
the
away
same,
that
yes?
large
Yes.
one-topping pizza. Well, as always, we get into a Friday and we'll cover birthdays.
Okay, once you start going up the hill, the speed limit will change to go faster.
Okay. A
For
little bit,
Saturday
yeah.
and Sunday. Leading off
Yeah,
today,
see, you turn to 55, you can start going
birthdays
faster.
include Denise Tapio of Iron Mountain, Tom Coleman of Iron Mountain, also another one from Iron Mountain, Kay Gothier, happy birthday today. Eric Mathis of
Start going
Beecher,
faster, babe, it's
Wisconsin,
55.
turning
Yeah, I
15
do.
years of age.
55, you're at 40.
Josh Knudsen, 13
Oh, you're at 45.
years old, a 7th grader at
Yeah, you want to be the line right below
Armstrong
60, it'll be
Creek.
55.
Also, happy birthday
doing good.
to Dan Bianco.
That's right, some of these cars will
And
pass you.
Riley
Stay right
Gregg
here.
of Pembine. He is turning 14 today. Got a couple of birthdays tomorrow to tell you about. Ann Jarvis of Iron Mountain. Dave Lindbergh out of Florence. And
Let's
then
go
on
faster,
Sunday,
babe, you're 45.
sisters Diane Nichols and Donna Hendricks of Niagara. Again, happy birthday.
Okay, get in the other lane.
That you're having a birthday or an
I'm on my
anniversary.
line.
Yeah, that line is
Very
ending.
best for your special day. The subject of our featured
Good job.
artist leads off our
Just follow this
celebrity
car.
birthday list today. Jason
One lane, babe, move over.
Aldean is 43. A Georgia native has 19 number
Good job.
1 singles, a couple of multi-million selling albums, and 2 CMA awards. Allie Larder is 44, the actress whose credits include TV's Legends and Heroes, Final Destination 1 and 2, and something called Obsessed. Eric Lindros is 47, the often injured NHL star, announced
Go this
his
way around
retirement
him.
from hockey back in November
Yep.
of 2007.
Good job, my love.
Gilbert Gottfried,
Yep, keep
the
going.
guy with that voice. You don't mistake this guy's voice. Comedian, actor, and yeah, he is a voice actor as well, turning 65 years of age. Happy birthday! Broadway and film actress and singer Bernadette
go faster?
Peters is
Because you're
72.
going slow.
Mario
60.
Andretti,
You do.
the
Yeah.
legendary race
That's
car
right, we
driver,
turn
is
up here, so
80.
don't worry about what they're doing.
And this is a
You're
favorite
doing good,
one of mine
okay?
today. Gavin McLeod is 89.
You're good,
The
you're good,
actor
don't
was
worry.
Captain
Goodness, look at this
Stewie
woman. Look at me,
on
babe.
Love Boat. Also,
No.
news writer Murray Slaughter on the Mary
Okay, see that yellow sign up there?
Yeah.
And
On the left, you're gonna put your blinker on to go left.
Navy
Letter or
again,
no?
Gavin McLeod.
Just up here by the yellow sign, put it on.
Today. There you go. That's our rundown on birthdays and
Okay,
anniversaries
just keep driving
today.
so at least the people
So we get
behind
to
you
the
that
end
want
of
to
the
go
week
fast
and
see
we
you're
put all of the
going to
names
turn.
together.
Yep,
We've
start
pulled
using your
the
brake.
names here. We've got 31 that are eligible
next
to
road,
give.
turn
Got a
left.
couple of certificates to give away on a
I
Friday
was
at this
going
time.
left.
Always
Just
give away
no,
a
stay here,
$5
start slowing down. You're going to turn left.
from Murphy's Pizza.
Stay in your lane over here.
And $5
Right here, you're going to turn left.
towards
Put
the
your brake
Florida
on.
Department at Tonics.
Brake, 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 brake. There you Yeah. Let's slow down, babe.
Okay. Because here's no.
Yeah, and you go too fast to try to turn like that.
Out of Quinnipiac. It's our birthday club winner, Crystal.
But that's your first time. You don't know where you go. That's why.
Yesterday, and winning those two
That's why.
certificates today. I like to remind any winner will
Slowly
hang
back
on to
home,
your
yeah?
certificates
Yeah.
for 30 days. We encourage you to
Good job,
follow
Esther.
them up
Cool.
that time.
Thank you, Swamiku.
You'd like
Oh,
to
my
join in on
goodness.
The opportunity to, well, certainly win that pizza Monday through Friday and a couple of certificates on a Friday. Get your birthdays and anniversaries
music.
into the email for our country.
I'll try to turn the channel.
All the snow, guys. Snow, snow, snow everywhere. I like the snows.
Yeah.
Yes. All white, yeah, babe.
Mm-hmm.
If I take picture here, it's very nice.
Yeah.
It must be slowly though.
Yeah. Yeah, just take your time, my love.
Yes.
Now you're driving the snow. That's okay. Just take your foot off the gas.
Yeah.
Just let it coast a little bit. And just use your brake when you need it going down the hill.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. So the thing when you drive in the winter is you must slow down sooner. You must give yourself more room to slow down. Like in summer, you can stop very fast. In the winter, you don't know if there's ice and you may put your brakes on and slide. And if you do, you go straight. You'll crash. So there you go. Yeah, good job. You can go a little faster, babe. Now no more hills. You're good. Okay.
I like snow.
We're home.
I'm home. We are home now. Yesterday, Bryce parking there.
Yeah. That's where Dad feeds the deer. I'll go to the side, just in case they want to get out or must come back in and go in the door.